Greetings everyone. Today is day 9 of the juice fasting, 21 days of juice fasting. I'm very tired, so I'm actually gonna do this video early in the morning, but there's just one message that I wanted to drop today, and the message is actually that today I didn't do any juicing. I actually ended up just doing a very dry fast. I didn't eat anything. I've not been eating for days, so I didn't drink any juice or I didn't drink any water. And today is actually Monday, so so there's not a lot to add in here. There's definitely I definitely have a message that I would like to let me say add to this video, but I'm not gonna do that now because I'm a little bit tired, so I'm just gonna go to bed. But in terms of how I feel, right now I'm tired, but throughout the day it was okay. I just had to manage my energy because not having anything. So this was like a strange terrain because I've never done something like this, and I had to drive for 2 hours, and then I had to drive to another town. So a lot of driving today. So I had to manage my energy. I had my water and my juice next to me, in case things were in case things got too difficult. So I just had it with me in case, but I ended up not drinking anything. And another thing is today I ended up having a 5 minute retention plus on my breathing exercise. I think I'll also do a breathing series in the future. But for those of you who don't know what that is, I'm gonna talk about that in the future, about breathing. Another thing I did was I did sun gazing twice, in the morning and in the afternoon, and also sun bathing in a way. So guys, with that being said, I'm gonna end the video here, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Stay well, stay safe, sleep well, guys. Bye bye. Video is legit. I'm checking out.